here with FastCap. I'm going to quickly show you how easy it is to install a RocLoc and then to remove the RocLoc so you can reuse it a bunch of times. RocLoc's an amazing product. It's a drywall anchor. It comes in two sizes. There's a 1/2 inch, which is the black one, and a 5/8 inch, which is the green one. The 1/2 inch holds 150 pounds, and the 5/8 inch holds 200 pounds per RocLoc. It works just by cantilevering into the back of your drywall. So you can see there's one in this little sample piece already installed. So you've got that whole lever that holds on the drywall, and your screw on the front. When you pull down on it, is cantilevering against that. So to install one, I have a little sample jig here with a 1/2 inch piece of drywall. So you're going to take your 1/2 inch drill bit, bore a hole. Once you got your hole drilled, you can take your RocLoc, you just push it in with this part first, and then you want to flip it so it rotates over. Sometimes doing so by hand can be difficult, so it can help to take a hammer, give it a nice tap in, right there, nice and secure. Then you can take your screw, drive it in, hang your 150 pounds from it, and when you're done, if you want to reuse it, you don't have to buy a new drywall anchor. All you have to do is grab your flathead screwdriver, put it under the bottom, pry up, and you'll get it to rotate out, and then you can just pull it straight out of the hole. You got a 1/2 inch hole there, you got to spackle up, but your RocLoc is still in perfect shape and can be reused many times.